One of the hardest things to do as a streamer is to push your community to go over and follow your Twitter, your YouTube, your any other platform like that. There's just so many links and so many different socials that people have nowadays. It can just be hard to kind of keep up with everything. We see streamers having chat timers, so like every 15 minutes it'll post their Twitter, and then 15 minutes later it might post their YouTube, something like that. And a lot of people use services like Linktree as well. What we're after doing over at Gezel is basically taking the concept of something like Linktree and just making it so much better. Imagine if there was just one URL where you could post any link, any social that you want on it for your viewers to be able to find and then follow you on it, but that it would also embed your live stream if you're currently live streaming. So if you're streaming on Twitch or on YouTube, your embed will automatically go onto that page. So if someone just stumbles across this page and you're streaming, they'll instantly be able to see that you're live and come say, hey. That's exactly what Social Profiles does. And we're going to take a look at it right now. This is basically the concept of social profiles. So you can have your profile picture, your username, and then any link that you want. So your YouTube, your Twitter, and then you can even have custom ones as well, such as coffee, links to other websites. This right here is a stream from our YouTube channel, and it's just instantly being played here and embedded on the social profile. It's really simple to set up, so I'm going to walk through how to do it now. So right now the URL is me.gezel.io, but by the time you're actually watching this video, it'll probably be something like gezel.me. And this is literally the home page. And all you have to do is just press the login sign up button. And we're going to create a brand new one here for you guys. Now, if you already have an account, this is basically where you'll sign in. But if you don't, you can just press the sign up button here. From here, then we can create a username. So I'm just going to call this TomoIRL. We can put in any email here that we want. It's just in case you ever forget your password. This way we can, send you a password reset. Enter in a password and click sign up. And this is basically what we're greeted with. So if you want to take a look at what this currently looks like, you can always just click on the profile, and this is currently what it looks like. We don't really have anything on it. There's also the preview button here, and it currently pops up here, but we're working on a way to make this not cover up some stuff and maybe have it docked at the side. But this is a great way to, you can like test your color schemes and everything like that while building the page. So currently there is no way to upload a picture, so you're going to have to link a picture via URL, maybe if you upload it onto Imgur or something like that. So that's what we're going to do here. The easiest way is doing it through Imgur. You don't need to have an account or anything like that. So we're going to upload a picture here. Let's say I have my head shot here. I'm just going to take that picture, drag it into Imgur, and once it's uploaded, all you're going to have to do is just right click on it and copy image address. Go back over to your Gezel, remove the default, paste that in, press submit. If we go over here and refresh, we should now see a profile picture. If you want to add your YouTube, it doesn't actually use your link, rather it uses your channel ID. To get your channel ID, it's quite simple. Just press your face up here, go to settings, click on advanced settings, and then you can see your channel ID here, the second box. Just copy that, bring it over, paste it in here, click the edit button. Now we have our YouTube saved. And now we can see the YouTube here. Let's say we want to add our Twitter as well. My Twitter is IRL create, so we can just add IRL create here, press save. Now we can see, what if I want my Twitter first? No problem. Just take the Twitter box, drag it above, press submit, refresh, and there it is. It's super easy to even add custom ones here as well. So you can always press new. You can always add a new platform. There's the other option. So you can set the URL. Let's just set it to be gezel.io. We want an icon, no problem at all. We can do the exact same thing here again. You can choose to also not have an icon. It depends on what you want to do. You can change the platform color too. So that's basically what color the box is going to be. So here I want Gezel to be, I don't know, like a nice dark red. We can just add that and there it is. And if we refresh, there's Gezel. Now, as you can see, there's currently no icon as we said. If you did want to add an icon after the fact, or you just want to update the icon, just click on whichever one you want to edit. You can see here icon, we have it set to none. So let's just remove that and let's go get a URL. For this one, I'm going to take a URL from Discord. So I'm just going to right click on this image that I sent to Trent and let's go copy link, paste it in here, press edit. Now if I refresh, there's the icon for Gezel. So easy, so simple. And because we have our YouTube linked here, automatically, if we start streaming on this YouTube, our stream embed would happen down here. The same would go for Twitch. If we linked up with Twitch, it would instantly create the embed down here. And if we're ever live, the website detects that you're live and will also show the embed. We just felt that a lot of these types of things, such as Linktree, lock a whole lot of stuff behind a paywall. And that's what we really wanted to try and avoid. With us, you can have any custom colors that you want to have set up, everything like that. The customization is all there. The only thing that we don't really have at this time is just the likes of tracking and everything like that. But to be honest, if you're smart enough, you can embed whatever links that you want on these. So theoretically, you could have your own service being able to track all these types of things for you instead. Maybe down the road we might look into this. It depends on how much the user demand is for it. We just really wanted just a nice and easy way for you to be able to go ahead and do this type of stuff. You don't really have any excuse now to not have a page like this for all of your social profiles on one page. I've been Tom from IRL Create. Do not forget to press like, subscribe, and all that Gucci good stuff. We see you in the next one. Yeah.